Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're looking at a 2018 Kia Rio5. The car has a 1.6 liter engine, 6-speed automatic transmission. Absolutely gorgeous little black unit. Nice and clean, ready to go. As we have a look down the side of the car, notice a sign that says Sirius XM is on, which indicates that the car comes with 3 months of free Sirius XM. Inside the car, power windows, locks and mirrors, some controls for your lighting and traction control. Steering wheel has cruise and audio controls. Car only has 19,212 kilometers. AM/FM radio with the Sirius XM. Backup camera. Climate control. Auxiliary USB ports plus a 12-volt charge port. Heated cloth seats and heated leather steering wheel. Height adjustable driver's seat. Plenty of room in the back for passengers, or those seats are 60-40 split. If you fold them down, you have plenty of room to carry some stuff. There's a cargo cover in the back, so if you put anything back here, that it's not visible to anybody walking by. Also, as you see, plenty of room back here to store packages or groceries or hockey bags or soccer equipment, whatever you happen to be carrying at the moment. This 2018 Kia Rio5 is located at West Coast Kia. We're just over the bridge in Maple Ridge, and we invite you to come down and drive the car. Best way to make an informed decision is to actually drive the car, see how it feels, see how it performs, see if it'll meet the needs of you and your family.